All you'll need is a Torx T20 screwdriver. Before any repairs, always unplug your appliance from the mains. If your dishwasher is an integrated model, the cabinet door will need to be removed from the front. On this model, it's held in by 4 T20 Torx screws found here. Some models will have rounded screws for the cabinet door, and then flat screws that hold the control panel and outer front door panel in place. Unscrew the 4 rounded top screws holding the cabinet door to the dishwasher. The cabinet door can then be detached from the dishwasher and placed to one side. Because of the loss in weight from the cabinet door being removed, the dishwasher door will try to close. Hold it down with something like a milk carton or a bag of flour. Then remove the 4 Torx T20 screws that are holding the outer front door panel in place. The 2 Torx T20 screws in the middle that held the door cabinet in place will also need to be fully removed. The top 2 can stay in place. You'll then be able to slide the front door panel down and away. Remove the old insulation plate. Unpackage your new dishwasher insulation plate for the outer front door panel. It has 2 sides, one with a curved pattern and one with straight lines. You need to have the curved pattern facing up. Place it in your outer door panel. Attach the outer front door panel to the dishwasher by lining up the slots with the plastic tabs underneath the control panel. Lower the door and screw the 4 Torx T20 screws in place. Then thread the 2 longer screws for the cabinet door in place. Reattach the cabinet door to the dishwasher by the fixing brackets at the bottom. Lower and line up the screw end with the existing holes on the cabinet door and tighten. Repeat for the others. And that's it. Your new insulation plate for a dishwasher outer front door panel is all set to go.